Hi, and welcome to Getting Started with GCP. So what we're going to see now is how we're going to register with GCP or Google Cloud to create an cloud account, and how to connect your organization to GCP if you are an established organization which already has an established infrastructure on-premise or in another cloud. We'll see how actually we'll be doing that. Next one is about the organization and folders and structures, how it is structured in, and projects, how it is structured in Google Cloud. This is the process for registration. So you are a startup or you are an established enterprise. You want to actually sign up for GCP. What you do. So if you are a startup, actually you would have actually registered your domain somewhere. Or if you haven't registered your domain, you can create a new domain, maybe using Google's domain service or any other domain service per se. And if you have a G Suite account, basically you can sign up for a G Suite account, which is nothing other than an online office provided by Google for your business, with your business email and everything to manage your infrastructure, your equipments, your organization. So the moment you have an email ID, either your G Suite ID or your own corporate email ID, you can actually go ahead and start registration with GCP. So you can register with G Suite, and you can also register with GCP using your official email. Then you go ahead and then log in and manage your Google Cloud account. That's it. That's as simple as that. But what happens if you want to add more users, like for example, like a group of DevOps or a group of developers who will be working with your GCP projects, who will be developing and deploying continuously for your organization into Google Cloud, and then creating infrastructures, creating projects and products. So for that, you have to have cloud identity. So cloud identity is a service which enables you to create identity and access management service for your organization. So cloud identity comes by default with G Suite. You don't need to actually enable it separately. But if you are registered with your official email, you'll be required to enable cloud identity. So what you do is you log in into your account, and then you go to, this is actually the dashboard you see when you log in into your Google Cloud account. You go into your I am an admin and into identity and organization. There you can actually sign up for identity, so cloud identity. So basically you'll have free option as well as premium option. Premium option comes with more granular management of your devices, your organization people. You don't get that with free account. So it's basically like just give your business name, so, and like just like 99 people, and then give a phone number. I'm going to give some fake number. I don't know whose number is that, but I just typed some number on that, and then provide a current email. As you start giving more details, finally it will ask you for entering your domain and then verify your domain. If you already have a domain provider, what you can actually do is it will give you a text record value where you can actually go and create your text record. I've created using a third-party domain provider. So I've created my domain amzu.cloud from them. So I added that text record. So if you come back and then see in my account, I'll be able to, let me go back into home. So I'm logged in into this using this account, Venkat at amzu.cloud. So it doesn't have any emails associated, but I used a corporate email of my company, amzuit.com, and then signed using that domain in the cloud identity. So let me just quickly go through the projects. So if I click on that, so you can see the organization over there. So you can actually see, let's go and manage resources. So here under your organization, you can have different folders. Probably you can have folders for your businesses around the world. You can create one for them, or you can create an folder for your departments within your organization. And my first project is by default created by Google. So you can go ahead and then delete it and then start creating new projects inside your folders. For example, like inside Belgium, I can just go and create a project. I can give a project name. I'll just keep it as it is and then browse and then go inside Europe and then Belgium, and then I can click on create project. I'm not going to do that now because I already have enough projects for my organization. So you can create projects within each location, and you can create multiple projects. There's also a cap on the number of projects which you can actually extend it. So let's go back to the presentation. So once you do that, connectivity. So how do you connect to GCP? So you can use VPN, you can use route service provided by GCP. You can also use interconnect. Interconnect comes in when you want a dedicated fault tolerant line between your on-premise and Google Cloud. That's it. A little bit about us. We are Amzu. We are a IT consulting company based out of Milton Keynes in UK. You can get in touch with us through email or through LinkedIn, and we'll be happy to respond to your questions and queries. Thank you very much for listening to our presentation. Thank you.